Welcome to Factful Finance. Here's a question that trips up a lot of folks stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time. What's the best starter credit card for beginners? I get it. Credit cards can feel like a maze of fine print, fees, and confusing perks. But stick with me, because picking the right card isn't just about plastic in your wallet, it's about building a strong financial foundation. Now, before we dive deep, a quick heads up. This content is purely educational and not personalized financial advice. I'll mention some popular cards and features, but that's not an endorsement. Always check with a certified financial professional before making decisions tailored to your personal situation. Alright, so why does choosing the right starter credit card matter so much? According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of Americans carry credit card debt, and many have damaged credit scores from misusing cards or falling into high-interest traps. That's the exact opposite of what we want. The right card can help you build credit, manage your money wisely, and even save you money over time. Let's break down what makes a great starter credit card. First up, look for cards with low or no annual fees. Beginners usually don't want to get hit with a yearly charge before they even know how to use a card properly. A card like the Discover It secured credit card is often recommended because it has no annual fee and offers cashback rewards. That's right, even secured cards can reward you. Wait, secured? What's that? Great question. Secured cards require a security deposit that acts like your credit limit. If you put down $300, that's your spending limit. It's a safety net for lenders, making these cards perfect for people with no credit history or poor credit scores trying to rebuild. It's like a starter bike with training wheels, giving you control while protecting your financial reputation. For those who have a fair credit score but no card yet, the Chase Freedom Unlimited is a strong contender. No annual fee, a simple rewards program, and access to Chase's top-notch customer service. Plus, their user-friendly app makes tracking spending a breeze, which is critical when you're learning the ropes. Now, a little reality check. Interest rates. Beginner cards often have higher APRs because lenders see new users as riskier. But here's the secret. If you pay your balance in full every month, the APR doesn't matter one bit. This is a crucial money habit that every beginner needs to master before anything else. No revolving debt means no interest charges. Let's talk about credit limits. Don't get hung up on a high limit right away. It's actually smarter to start small and gradually increase your limit as you demonstrate responsible use. Think of credit limits like trust meters with your lender. Use it wisely and they'll trust you more. Ever heard of credit utilization? It's how much of your available credit you use. Keeping this under 30% is the golden rule for a healthy credit score, according to CFP research and industry best practices. So, if your credit limit is $500, try not to carry a balance over $150 at any time. What about rewards? Sure, they're fun, but for beginners, they shouldn't be the main focus. Think of rewards like the cherry on top, not the cake. Getting a card with easy, straightforward cashback like 1.5% on all purchases can be more helpful than complicated point systems that you might never fully understand or redeem. Let me share a quick story. Marcus, a 22-year-old college grad, started with a secured card after being turned down for traditional cards. He used it to pay small monthly bills and paid off his balance on time, every time. Within a year, his credit score jumped 100 points. That's not magic. It's good habits combined with the right tool. On the flip side, Samantha, who got a card with a big rewards program but didn't track her spending, ended up with a $1,000 balance she couldn't pay off. Interest ate away at her finances, and her credit score took a hit. It's a cautionary tale showing why understanding your limits and payment behavior matters more than flashy perks. Here's the quick rundown for picking your starter credit card. 1. No or low annual fees. 2. Reasonable APR, but focus on paying in full monthly. 3. A credit limit that's manageable for you. 4. Clear, simple rewards, if any. 5. Good customer support and easy-to-use online tools. 6. Ideally a secured option if you're just starting or rebuilding credit. Finally, a little pro tip. After a year or so of responsible use, consider applying for an unsecured card to step up your credit game. This progression is backed by financial psychology research and CFP recommendations. It helps build credit diversity and improves your credit score further. So, what's the bottom line? The best starter credit card isn't necessarily the flashiest one. It's the one that fits your current financial reality, teaches you discipline, and rewards your good habits without costing you extra. Which of these tips or cards sounds like it could work for you? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I love hearing your stories and helping out. And if you want more clear, no-fluff finance guidance that actually works, stick around and hit subscribe. If this deep dive helped you get a grip on starter credit cards, wait till you see what's coming next. Trust me, your financial journey is about to get a whole lot more exciting. Click the video on screen to keep the momentum going.